Sailing directions are essential publications produced by national hydrographic authorities to aid mariners in coastal navigation and port approaches. They complement nautical charts by providing detailed, descriptive information that charts cannot convey. What are sailing directions? Sailing directions, also known as pilots, are comprehensive guides that offer critical information for safe and efficient maritime navigation. They are typically divided into volumes covering specific geographic regions and are updated regularly to reflect the latest navigational data. Significance in navigation and port approaches. Sailing directions play a pivotal role in ensuring the safety and efficiency of maritime operations. Their significance include detailed coastal and port approach information. They provide in-depth descriptions, coastal features, port layouts, and navigational aids, which are crucial for planning safe entry and exit from ports. Identification of navigational hazards. They highlight potential dangers such as submerged rocks, reefs, and shoals that may not be evident in charts, allowing mariners to avoid these risks. Supplement to nautical charts. While nautical charts offer graphical representations, sailing directions provide a contextual and descriptive information necessary for comprehensive voyage planning. Availability and formats. Sailing directions are available in various formats, including printed volumes and electronic versions. In nautical publications, they are published by national hydrographic offices such as the United Kingdom Hydrographic Office and are often available for purchase or subscription. In summary, sailing directions are indispensable tools for mariners, providing essential information that supports safe navigation and efficient port operations. Their detailed and updated content ensures that navigational decisions are well informed, enhancing maritime safety and compliances.